Okay, in this question is testing you about the Kepler's third law. Okay, let's see this question. You have a sun here, at the center. You have the Earth here, which is rotating. Okay, this is the Earth. You have another one which is called the Saturn. This is the Earth. This is the Saturn, which is quite far. Why I know it's quite far? Because they said that the Earth rotating about the Sun in one revolution only takes 1 year. Okay, while the Saturn takes 29.5 years. All right, so it should be very, very far from the Sun compared to the Earth. Okay, so they ask, what is the radius of the Saturn? So they ask, what is the radius from the center to here? They ask, what is the radius? So we need to derive the Kepler's third law, okay, from this equation. First of all, we need to understand that why satellite can rotate about what the Earth and the Saturn can rotate about the Sun. It must be due to the gravitational force, right? So in other words, the gravitational force supply the centripetal force. This is the gravitational force. This is the centripetal force. In this case, the gravitational force supply the centripetal force, which is mr omega square or mv square over r or mv omega, right? So in this case, to relate to period, I purposely use mr omega square because the omega you can transform to become 2 pi over t, right? Okay, please take a look at how I derive this formula. Finally, you will get t square proportional to r cube. In other words, the period of rotation is solely dependent on this r cube, the distance from the center of the Sun to the Saturn. Okay, because the rest are constant, right? 4 pi square and gm are constant. So in this case, now you see the radius of the Earth. This is so close. This is radius of the Saturn. Now I have jotted down all the information here to speed up our explanation. Now t square proportional to r cube, so t square equals to k r cube, proportional to make it equal. So for the Earth, the period is 1 year, so 1 square, k is k. The radius is 1.5 times 10 power 11. The Saturn, the period is 29.5 years, a k times r cube. We want to get the r for the Saturn, right? So just divide these two equations. You should get the answer as B.